Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your password on your Windows 11 computer. So assuming you've already created a password and you just want to change it, in today's tutorial I will show you guys how to do it. So all you have to do is open up the search magnifying glass on your taskbar. When you hover over it, it says search. Left click on that and type in password. Best result should go back with change your password. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the right side where it says password, sign in with your account password. Left click on that and select where it says change. At this point, you enter in your current password, select next, enter in your new password, confirm the password, and then add a hint in here, and then select next, select finish, and that's it. I don't even think you have to restart your computer for the change to take effect, even though I normally would. So restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.